if you're experiencing frame stuttering on your Nintendo Switch, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow these steps to help reduce lag and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Close background applications. Make sure to close any applications running in the background. Press the home button, navigate to the game or app you want to close, and select the button to exit. Step 2. Update your system. Ensure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest software. Go to System Settings, select System, then Software Update, and choose via the internet to check for updates. Step 3. Adjust display settings. Lower the display settings for games that allow it. Some games have options to reduce graphics quality or resolution, which can help improve frame rates. Step 4. Free up storage space. Check your storage space and delete any unnecessary games or data. Go to System Settings, select Data Management, and manage your saved data and downloads. Step 5. Use airplane mode. If you're not using online features, turn on airplane mode to disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This can help reduce background processes that may cause stuttering. By following these steps, you can help minimize frame stuttering on your Nintendo Switch and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.